Oh, let's go to tour to get more shape with that new ball. Just nick back. Perfect.
Yeah, very good evening to all once again. Yes, I can see some new names. Can we have a small introduction round? Yes, Naveen Katta, can I have an introduction? So that everyone knows each other once.
Hello. Good evening, sir. This is Naveen Kata from Hyderabad here. Myself, I work for a private organization as a state head profile. I'm into sales actually. Sales and marketing.
Okay, marketing. You are into marketing.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nandini?
Sir.
Yeah, a small introduction.
Sir. Good evening, sir. This is Nandini. I'm currently pursuing artificial intelligence and data science in Stanley College of Engineering and Technology for Women. I'm doing my second year, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you, Nandini. Naresh, can we have once again introduction so that everyone will...
Yes, sir. My name is Naresh, sir. I am working in Fax Healthcare Private Limited Company. I am having 7+ years of experience, sir.
Okay.
I'm from Abu Dhabi.
Currently pursuing MBA. Which college? Here. Punjab. Yeah. So let me share my screen. All right. So before starting session, let me introduce myself also. Most of you are not aware. Anyone unmute? Okay. So coming race out here. Is the same disturbance from your end also? All right. Hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So myself, Mohammad Khajir, working as an IT faculty. I have more than 23 years of experience as the best office trainer, and also a Microsoft certified trainer, certified by Microsoft Office specialist, as well as Microsoft Excel expert with various versions. And also I'm a corporate trainer where I imparted classes for more than 100 different clients. So let me share some of my clients where I imparted classes. These are my clients where I imparted classes mostly on advanced Excel, where you can see financial organizations like Bank of America, DCB Bank, DHF Federal, Bandhan Bank, IDFC Bank, Fed Bank. These are upcoming banks. The next pharma organization also Sanofi, Diproplast, Isaac, Prince Pharma, Laurus Lab. These are some of the pharma organization, and also imparted classes for other different private organizations like Thomas Cook, Asian Paints, the next Mass Mutual, JLL. These are different organizations, social service like Educate Girls, Nandi Foundations. The next got an opportunity to impart classes for KPMG, Deloitte, Heritage. The next, you can see government sectors also as a guest faculty. I imparted classes for President Department, Police Department, GSI, Central Government. The next NTPCs, Center for Good Governance, CGG, Income Tax Department. All these government sectors are imparted classes, as well as not only private sector, government sector got an opportunity to impart classes for academic sectors also, like NMIMS University. So here in South, it's not much popular, but when you go to the North, it comes at the top 3 universities. The next LPU, Lovely Professional University. The next IIM. The next recently I imparted classes for Geetham University also. So like academic also I've imparted classes. Overall, so you can see private sectors, government sector, academic sectors, all levels I have imparted classes. Right. So based on my experience. So one of my biggest achievement of my career in this in this 23 years of service. All right. So in this 23 years of service, so let me share you some of my clients where I imparted classes. So one of my biggest achievement is got an opportunity to impart classes for civil service officers. Government sector, you can see, hope you are aware of this group 1, group 2, group 4, as well as civil services. Got an opportunity to impart classes for all these government departments, all these levels also. I can see one more participant have joined. Can I know who is this? So one of my biggest achievement got an opportunity to impart classes for all departments, government level 1 to all highest cadre. Most of you are, I think, aware of this. Government sector, one of the highest posts is an IAS level officers. Got out in the year 2016, got an opportunity to impart classes for IAS level officers from 30 different states, in service IAS officers from 30 different states. So for them also, I've imparted session on excellence.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. Yeah, you can introduce yourself. Hello. Yeah. So now let's continue. So IAS officers in the year 2016 I have imparted classes, couple of batches. In the batch, 60 participants were there. The next is a different organization where I imparted classes, like you see Airtel.
Sorry to interrupt, sir.
Yeah.
Myself, Shinigar, I just joined.
Yeah.
So it's the session related advanced Excel, right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
So can I have more introduction about you?
Sir, sorry?
Yes, Siriga.
No, I just joined, sir.
Okay, not join. Just want to know about you more so that everyone will be aware who are you and all.
Okay, sir. So myself, Shinigar, actually I'm working in Genpact,
Okay.
tech support. So where I'm looking for advanced Excel and my SQL Server, Power BI. So,
Okay.
so where I'm looking to learn this course. So where I'm looking for opportunity enter in my company.
All right. That's fine. Thank you. So even got an opportunity to impart classes for Genpact also. I've imparted approximately 3 to 4 months in the Genpact. Multiple batches I've imparted. So let me continue with this. So Capital Land, High Tech City. CGG. For them, I've imparted PowerPoint on advanced PowerPoint tips and tricks. So the other state people were there. They like. For them also, I've imparted PowerPoint as well as Excel. Heritage. I'm Udaipur, Rajasthan. Income Tax Department, Nampally. Intelligence Department. Next, Lok Sabha Secretariat Offices, LPU. Mayura Group. Lassen. Custom Department. Like this, lots of clients have imparted. So now, based on my experience with all departments and all, so what I came to know that even for the training, wherever I go for an advanced Excel. So advanced Excel is fine, but when we go with the advanced Excel, started with the basic concepts. So when I asked different basic questions, they are not aware of the basics. Only the process or the private project based on project work, they are familiar with that particular concept, not with the basics, not with the particular topic. So they are only familiar with the regular routine task there, whatever they do. So in that particular scenario, I have gone with the different basic questions, advanced questions, and then work out with all the topics. So now, as per my experience, let me take you through one topic here. Just a minute. So I think Naresh already attended this particular session. It's like a demo as well as day one session for us. Let's discuss this. So now here you can see I have some data, right? Basically my data should look like this in this particular format, right? But unfortunately, when I open my Excel file, it is coming in this particular format, which is rather the title I have taken as formatting, but it's not in a formatted way, right? I want to do formatting for this particular data. Right. So in which scenario, let me go with one more query. In which scenario will come across these type of unformatted data where I need to do every column format. So in which scenario will get like this? Anyone? Yeah, let me take you through this. Basically, my data should look like this. So what happened when you copy and paste your data from one sheet to another sheet, it will like this. One sheet to another sheet or one file to another file also. The next, similarly, nowadays, most of the reports we can see are online. When you download your online reports, any Excel file, so when you open that particular file, it will basically download in CSV format. When you open that CSV file, it will be like this. I need to, let's take one scenario. So my immediate boss have asked me to send this particular report where he is attending a meeting with the client. Right. So I have downloaded this particular file. Can I send this particular file to my senior official? Straight away, I can't send this particular file because even sir also knows that it can't be sent like this. Right. So that is the reason sir has asked me to share this particular file. So as is attending a meeting as early as possible. So what are the steps I need to do here? Make it a more formatted structure. Increasing the column width. So for increasing column width, manually I can work out like this, or based on our experience, we'll just double click. Right. So double click every time I can work out double click. So as of now, for my demonstration, I have taken approximately 7 columns. But in the regular scenario, we may not be working with only 7 columns. We might be working more than 7. Let's assume I'm working with 30 different columns. So 30 columns, 30 times I need to double click 30 times. It's a time taking process. End of the day, we can do it, but it's a time taking process. If I do like that, so sir will boss, immediate boss will be calling back to back. So he need urgent because client may be attending the meeting as early as possible in a couple of minutes. So he wants this particular report as early as possible. So I can't manually do all this particular work. So we need to be one step ahead of it. So what we can do, we can work out here. Just select in between 1 and a rectangle box is there. Just click on it where it has selected the entire sheet. Now double click in between any one of the columns. That's it. Even if you have 30 columns or 300 columns, with one click you can adjust the column width. So this is the task part which we have done. And Excel data won't look like Excel data unless we apply borders to it. Right. To apply borders, what we'll do? First of all, I need to select the data. So select data, what was the shortcut key we can use here? Control A, a universal shortcut key to select the data. Now let me take you through one query here. Apart from Control A, do we have any other alternate shortcut key? Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow. That's fine, but the problem is how many keys I'm using here. Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow. 3 plus 3, 6 keys I'm using. So instead of that, so best shortcut key was Control A only. Any other alternate shortcut key do we have here to select the data? Any other alternate shortcut key? So here what we can work out is Control Shift space bar to select the data. Control Shift space bar to select the data. And one more shortcut key, what we can work out is Control. If you have a numerical keypad, you can use Control asterisk, Control star symbol type. Control asterisk star. So you can see automatic data has been selected. So Control A and Control star we can work out. Right. So now let me go with the difference between this Control A and Control star. What is the difference between these two? So if I select a cell and try to go with Control A, you can see it has selected the entire sheet. Whereas if I use Control asterisk, it won't select. Right. It needs surrounding data, then only it will select the data part. Now, so selection has been done. The next part, what we can work out, I want to apply borders to it. So for borders, what we can do, just go to this drop down and then go for all borders. Because it has applied a borders. So instead of this, if I want to work out another alternate method, so alternate method by using a shortcut key. So shortcut key, we don't have any control related combination here. So what we can work out is alt related shortcut command. Alt H B A. So this is one of the shortcut combination we can work out. So how we have used, so you don't need to just, if you press Alt, you can see some of the options have been activated on top. If I want to go to home tab, I can press H, borders B, all borders A. So if you are regularly using this shortcut key, it will be a routine shortcut key for you. Alt H B A. Alt H B A. If you want to remove the borders, first select the data. Alt H B N to remove. Next. Now, so applying borders, removing borders, we have seen. Now let's go with this. So my regular data as well as my title both look same, right? So what we'll do, just select the title and we'll use one universal shortcut key to make it bold. So what's the shortcut key? One universal shortcut key will use Control P for bold. Now let us use an alternate shortcut key. Instead of Control P, let us use Control 2 here for bold. Control 2 for bold. Instead of Control B, an alternate shortcut key. Then next, now let me take you through this. So here, as of now on screen, I can see approximately 14-15 records here. 15 screen on screen, I can see 15 members. Out of this, let me take you through one person. So this Bikram duplicate I have came across, even though duplicates are there, but department name, location is totally different. So different persons are there. So this particular document, Bikram Bansal, out of these 2 person, 1 person have not attended the training. Right. So what we can work out, Control 5. You can strike off their names directly on screen. Control 5 to apply as well as to remove the strike. Control 5. Next. Any other stuff I can do here? Before sending this particular report to my senior official.
Apply filters.
Yes, sir.
Apply filters. Apply descending, ascending order.
Are not required, but basically we need to remember that, sir, boss have asked me to share the downloaded file. They have not asked me to share any report type format. He just asked me to share this particular file where he is attending a meeting. If any specific has been given, like location wise, please send the report, then you can, or designation wise, then you can work on. Without document intimating, if I take an own decision, if it is good, that's fine. If it is wrong, or if it is not worth enough, then it will be totally negative for us. So now let me take you through one more. So here you can see, because of this copy paste or because of this download, my date of joining has came in a numerical value. I want to convert these particular numbers into date format, date of joining. So let me just increase the width here so that I can see the entire date. So now if I want to convert this particular date of joining into our date format, what I have seen with the participant will be selecting like this. Selecting the entire column. So in this particular way like this. But you can see I have taken only 75 records. These are the unnecessary records. So instead of that, I want to select only the 75 records. What we'll do, first cell, Control Shift down arrow to select only that particular column part. Now, if you want, you can directly go to this general and then click on short date. That's done. Date form. Similarly, here basic salary. So basic salary, you can see basic salary, if I pronounce this 20,352. So 20,000 means I want to apply this comma style here, right, with a decimal value as it's a salary numerical value. So let me just increase this width. so that I can apply decimal values as well as comma style. Select the column, and then on screen you can see comma style option is there. Comma style. You can directly select this so that you can see a comma style with the decimal points have been added. Or what we can do is we can directly use one shortcut command, Control Shift to 1. It will apply comma style. Right. So almost all formatting has been done here. Now I can send this particular report to my concern officer. Later, if we ask any particular requirement like sort the data designation wise or send only Department of Marketing like that. And if you are familiar of basic Excel, so basic Excel, what we can work out here is in our regular day-to-day activity, those who are working with an organization, any company. So those who are aware of Excel mostly will be working with filter concepts, right? So let me apply here filters. So filters, like let's take an example. Out of this 75 records, I want to know how many employees are from marketing department. So what we can do here is you can just go with this drop down, deselect marketing. Okay. So like this, we can filter for marketing. Similarly, I want to know from Bangalore how many are there. So deselect Bangalore. Okay. We can work out like this. And one more point, what we can do, executives. So executives, I want to know. So deselect executive. Okay. So like this, we can work out with the filtering part. So how many times filter I've done? 1, 2, 3 times filter I've done. Right. So let me remove this. So instead of using this drop down and all, what we'll do is we'll be learning some shortcut commands here. Like example, I want to filter this client servicing. I want to know how many are from client servicing. Done. How many employees are from Delhi? Filter. Done. How many employees are from working as an executive? Done. So without using drop down, deselecting and all, easily we can work out. And if I want to work out with a normal data, done. So these type of shortcut commands we can work out, some shortcut keys, shortcut commands for reporting skills and all we'll be discussing. All right. So any queries in this till now, whatever we have discussed, we'll be discussing in coming sessions. Yeah. Any doubts till now, whatever we have discussed? New learning in this? Only that almost half an hour topic we have discussed with this formatting. Any new learnings? Right? This is only to just understand how we'll be covering the classes further. All right. So let me just give a small overview of the topics what we'll be covering. So we'll be covering from the arithmetic. It will be total of 1 month, 1 month course. Right. So 1 month course means it won't include Saturdays, Sundays. So Sundays are holidays. So Monday to Friday regular classes will be there. It will not be daily 1 hour session, which comes across 20 hours. In some cases, what we'll do, we'll have classes on Saturdays also. Even Saturdays also will have. So it may go with approximately 20 to 24 sessions. If we have classes on Saturdays also. So minimum to complete the sessions, 20 hours is more than enough. It depends upon the classes, doubts and all. It may go up to 24 hours. Not telling you entire 24 hours. So it will be 20. Depend upon questions, doubts, and topic. When we are going with the different topics, the lengthy doubts are there. It may cross up to 24 hours, right? 24 hours, right? So we'll be going from scratch, from basics. Even the title is Advanced Excel, we'll be covering from the basics. So basic means what is Excel? From there, we'll be starting our classes. What is Excel? So what are the terminologies used in Excel? What are rows? What are columns? Right? How we are entering the data? how to format the some of the shortcut keys today itself we have discussed. All right. Then next, all the latest from basic to advanced, all the topics will be discussed. Basic to advanced. So approximately, that means if you are working with the formulas and all in Excel, we have more than 500 formulas, 500 plus formulas are there. So as but not all 500 formulas are required for every individual. So which organization you are working, it may changes, varies. So if you are familiar with at least 80 to 100 formulas, which are more than enough to as an Excel expert. All right. So we'll be providing Excel certification also. We have both online as well as offline classes. After completion of Excel classes, we will be providing institute certificate, which is free of cost. And we have another best option I can give you is Excel certification from Microsoft. This will be an added advantage for your profile, those who are going for a jobs, interviews and all. So it will be an added advantage. Like suppose, while my introduction I have given, like I have 23 years of experience. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. So I'm Excel trainer is different and Microsoft certified trainer is different. And Microsoft Excel expert. I know Excel, I am expert in Excel. That is, the terminology is totally different when compared to I'm an Excel expert, which is certified by Microsoft. So let me show you some of my certificate, how we will be getting. So if you are writing a certificate from Microsoft, this is an online exam, right? So Office 365 certification I have, right? So like this, you can work out with the online certificate also, which it costs you approximately some amount will charge, where we need to pay to the online board, right? So this particular institute certificate will be free of cost, no issues. All right. Any questions till now? Online, no questions.
Sir, preparing charts also will be taught here.
Sir, what?
Preparing charts.
Right. We will be working with all charts, lookups, right? Pivot table, preparing a dashboard.
Yeah.
All these will be working. All formulas. From basic to advanced, you will be expertise. But with the condition, you need to practice. I can work out all the topics. I can tell you which option, how it works. So getting familiar and then practicing on it, it's up to you. Right. So if you are practicing according to the classes and all, I will be giving some exercise also. You need to do practice. If you are neglecting the sessions, I'm not the concerned person. 1 month, if you are practicing hard, you will be one of the expert person next. Anything else? Any other queries? So after completion of Excel classes, if you are interested, we can work out with this. But after completion of classes, you will be institute certificate will be given free of cost. From Microsoft, that is different, that we need to write an exam also, online exam.
Sir, online exam based on Excel?
Excel certification separate. And it will be an added advantage for you also. College freshers, those who are going, it will be an added advantage for your profile. Let me show you my profile where if I give to others, so not only that particular part I get, I'll be directly showing to them with the logo. So let me show you.
We need to verify the
Microsoft certification, and you can see all with the logo. I can keep my in my profile, all certification I can keep from Microsoft. So similarly, also it will be an added advantage if you go for an interview, right? Even though you are fresher, this logo keeps you a plus point for you. XYZ event access or any other issue wherever you go and keep that particular logo, no one will care about it, right? So this is about the Excel introduction part for today. If any queries are there, let us have that discussion.
So what are timings? Institute timings?
So timings, we have planned 7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
We have 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. sir.
8 p.m. to 9 p.m. As of now, we are not starting as of now. The straightforward batch will be this one, and maybe it will take another 1 week to start 8 p.m. batches. We are gathering the details as of now.
I'm interested in 8 to 9 p.m. sir, because my shift time has
So it
7:30.
may take some time because as straight away from tomorrow, today itself day one has been started. Day one, I won't take it as a day one. From tomorrow will be day one for you. So it's only a discussion for today, not an issue. So from tomorrow, day one will start. So 8 to 9 p.m. batch, it may take 1 week or 10 days. I can't guarantee because I'm gathering the numbers. As of now, you are the one person and we have one more detail. Only 2 persons are. So until unless we get a good number, we can't start.
Might be you will get so.
We are in a positive only, not in a negative one.
Exactly. So definitely you will get a good number. So I'll wait for one more week, and I can join. So 7:30 means difficult, and I'll come to institute only. It's
Yeah,
ticket
welcome.
it's ticket only, right?
Yeah,
So
welcome. We have offline also. If you are interested, offline will be good for you. But those who are living far, you can join online. But those who are nearby, you can come offline. I'll be
yeah,
very happy to see you offline.
yeah, I will come to institute only. So I already discussed with Nancy. I think I don't know,
Okay.
but I'll wait for one more week. So
Yes, no problem, no issues. All right, then we'll wind up with this for today, and we'll continue from tomorrow as a day one classes. We'll start regular timing 7 to 8. Thank you.
thank you so much, sir.
Good night.